I guess do it again.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another inspiring episode with Maharang Ayawali. Today I have a very special guest, my respected neighbor, Mr. Kamran Ahmad. He is a successful manager in an American organization and holds MBA degree. His journey from school days to becoming a professional is a full valuable lessons and inspiration. Today we'll learn about his childhood education, dreams, career, favorite things, and the habits that helped him succeed. So let's welcome Mr. Kamran Ahmed. Assalamu alaikum,
Ji walaikum
Kamran.
assalam. Ji walaikum assalam, Marang. Thank you so much for inviting me over here.
Can you can you please introduce yourself so people can know who you are?
Yeah, sure. Uh, my name is Kamran Ahmed. By profession, I'm an accountant and working in a prestige American organization since 15, 16 years. And basically, I belong from Islamabad. And you can say my education and my career starts over here in Islamabad.
Okay, so my next question for you is, where were you born and where did you grow up?
Okay, basically, I born in Islamabad, and as I told, as born in Islamabad, so grown in Islamabad and live in Islamabad.
Okay, my next question for you is, how would you describe your childhood in 3 words? Childhood.
Uh, you can say energetic, naughty, and intelligent.
Okay. So my next question is, what is your happiest childhood memory?
My I have so many childhood memories actually, but you
Yes.
can say my most funniest is basically I make fun of people in the class every time.
Okay. Who inspired you the most while growing up?
Hmm. Actually, my dada is my, you can say, my grandfather. He is my mentor. He is my teacher, and he definitely teaches me everything. So I followed his steps, his guidance.
Okay, my next question for you is, this is section 2, your school life. What kind of student were you in school?
Hmm. बेसिकली स्कूल में मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट भी था, नोटी भी रहा हूँ साथ साथ, और आप कह सकते हैं कि स्टडीज़ में सबसे आगे था। एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन मैंने की है इसके अंदर, और हर चीज़ के अंदर प्राइज़ के अंदर फर्स्ट आता रहा हूँ मैं।
Okay, so my next question for you is that, which was your favorite subject and why?
It's quite difficult question actually. All the subjects are my you can say favorite, but most favorite is maths and computer. And why? Basically, maths is basically the calculations. You are all the day you are talking about the digits, plus, minus, divisions like this. And computer is like to play the games, to browsing, to use the internet for more information, just like encyclopedia you can search out over there. So maths and computer, these are my favorites, most favorites you can say.
Okay, so my next question for you is, who was your favorite teacher?
Hmm. वैसे बेसिकली मैं बताऊं, जो टीचर सबसे ज़्यादा आपको डांटता है, मारता है, वो आपका फेवरेट होता है. So like this, My Urdu teacher is my favorite because she all the time, uh, you can say, डांटना मारना पीटना और बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे पनिशमेंट उस टीचर ने दी है all the time because I was naughty in the Urdu and not ever good in Urdu, you can say. So that's why.
Okay. Did you receive any awards or achievement during school?
Yeah, so many words. I'm very good in singing. I'm very good in sports. I'm very good in, you can say, debate, and in dramas. I worked over there, so I have a lot of awards in my school career.
Okay. What activities did you enjoy besides studying?
Hmm. I like cycling, swimming, and you can say I'm also a very good scout in my school time. I love to camp, to go out city, to spend time with friends, to live in a camp, just like a forest. You see so many animals over there, more creations over there.
Okay. What lesson what lessons from school still help you today?
The only and one thing, and आई गेस कि जो आजकल की पीपल है, न्यू जनरेशन है, वो उस चीज़ को फॉलो करे, टू लर्न हार्ड. आप जब तक कुछ अच्छा नहीं सीखोगे, नहीं पढ़ोगे, आप आगे कुछ भी लर्न नहीं कर सकते. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ कि आपके अंदर आपकी विल होनी चाहिए दैट यू हैव टू learn, you have to invent, you have to discover new things. So especially the young guys, you have to follow these steps.
Okay. Did you ever face difficulties during your education? How did you overcome them?
Hmm. Actually, I find some difficulties in Urdu subjects and you can say in mathematics, which are more logarithm, algebra questions over there. My teachers, my parents, they helped me out.
Okay, they helped you out. What was your dream when you were a child?
My dream to have a sports bike. Actually, I'm very
Did
like to move fast from the childhood. मेरा दिल करता है कि मैं बस एक फास्ट चीज़ पे हूँ और दुनिया को कवर कर रहा हूँ, डिस्कवर कर रहा हूँ, न्यू न्यू सिटीज़ को, न्यू एरियाज़ को. तो आई गेस माय हैवी बाइक इज़ माय ड्रीम.
did your dream change as you grew older?
नो नेवर. ऑलवेज हैव अ वन ड्रीम इन योर लाइफ. जब तक आपका ड्रीम फुलफिल ना हो, आपको नेक्स्ट ड्रीम की तरफ कभी भी नहीं जाना चाहिए. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, in your life, whatever you want, you must have a one dream. So focus on it. Whenever you focus on your single dream, you can achieve it.
Why did you decide to study MBA?
Yeah, that's very interesting question. Actually, it's a long story, but I'll make it short. Uh, Finance basically is my profession, you can
You
say.
can tell it long.
Yeah, sure. Basically, finance is my profession, but my passion is to have a armed force. But unfortunately, I didn't join over there due to some reasons. I don't know why they don't select me. So after that, I decide to continue my maths, my finance because I'm very good, as told earlier. So I continue my MBA in Bell University, which is a very good and well educated institute in Islamabad. So I take admission over there. And before that, I did my BBA, that is also finance specialization. And after my BBA, I go for my MBA, which is about 2 years it took. So after that, I joined my profession, which is also finance. So that's the journey of my MBA.
Okay, amazing. Oh,
Hmm. So
can
yeah,
you? How did your education help in your own career?
hmm. Basically, education is very must for any career. Even you are a businessman, even you are a scientist, even you are a physician, even you are a doctor. Education is very must. जब तक आपके पास एजुकेशन नहीं है, आप कुछ भी अपने ड्रीम्स, कुछ भी अपने आप एजुकेशन, कुछ भी आप अचीव नहीं कर सकते इस चीज़ के अंदर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, एज माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एजुकेशन इज़ वेरी मस्ट.
Okay, my next question for you is, can you tell us your journey to becoming a manager?
Yeah, it's a very long story. It take about 16 years, you can say. I joined my organization in 2011 after my BBA, and I did my MBA. Oh, sorry, I start my MBA in 2013 after 2 years break. So in the morning I have a job, and in the evening I have my MBA. So so long journey. It's very tough time. In professional life and education life, basically these two are totally different lives. You can say education, you only take the education knowledge, and when you go in the profession, that is quite difficult, which is totally
Oh,
different from your education career.
okay, my next question for you is, what were the biggest challenges in your career?
Hmm. Basically, my biggest challenge in my career is to work with the American organization, which is totally the out of the culture. You can say in Pakistan we are saying in Punjabi, Urdu. It doesn't matter in what language you are basically. But whenever you are working in a multi organization, you must have to follow the rules, the regulations of that organization.
Okay, my next question for you is, what motivated you to keep moving forward during difficult times?
Hmm. इसमें मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊंगा कि आपको क्या चीज़ मोटिवेट करती है. बेसिकली आपकी एक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट होती है, जो आपका एक इनर आपको सिक्स सेंस, जो आपको यू कैन से कि आपको पुश कर रही होती है कोई चीज़, कि आप काम करो, अच्छा काम करो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सेल, यू कैन से द सैलरी और द मनी. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर रिस्पेक्ट. जब तक आपकी रिस्पेक्ट इस चीज़ के ऊपर काम करती रहती है, आपको ये पुश करती रहती है कि आप इसको काम करो और मज़ीद बेहतर बनाओ, ताकि कल आने वाला वक्त आपका इस चीज़ से मज़ीद बेहतर हो. और जब तक आपका काम अप टू डेट नहीं होता, तो आपका बर्डन आपके ऊपर नहीं होता.
मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल है आपके लिए. Looking back, what is the achievement you are most proud of?
Hmm. Basically, my achievement is my family, और जो कि हर टाइम मेरे साथ होती है और मुझे पुश करती है कि यू हैव टू वर्क, ओके, यू हैव टू गो आउट, एंड यू हैव टू. जब तक आप काम करोगे, तो हम लोग आप लोगों के साथ हैं और आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे आपके साथ साथ. Basically, my family is my best motivation to move forward.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food. There are so many my favorite food. Actually, I'm not a vegetarian, pure vegetarian, and I love to meet.
Just tell me
Uh,
one.
yeah, one. Okay, you can say it's a lamb kadhai. You can say in Peshawar,
Okay,
Peshawari, Shinwari. You can say.
okay. Okay, everyone, I am back. So let's ask him the next question.
Yes, please.
What is your favorite time of the day?
Okay. My favorite time is to sit with my family, have some gossips, और उसके बाद कुछ ये होता है कि बुक्स रीड करना, ठीक है। साइकिलिंग भी मैं करता हूँ, तो नॉर्मली ये होता है फॉर 1 आवर आई गो फॉर अ साइकिलिंग। तो उसमें ये कह लें कि अच्छा मेरा रिक्रिएशन वर्क भी हो जाता है, ठीक है, और दोबारा से मैं रिफ़्रेश भी हो जाता हूँ इसके अंदर। फिर अगेन वापस घर आके तो सेम एज़ इट इज़ फैमिली के साथ ही टाइम होता है, जो कि बहुत अच्छा गुज़रता है उनके साथ, मतलब बातें-शातें करना, फ़न करना, तो ये चीज़ें होती हैं।
What do you type? What type of talk do you do with your family?
Hmm. It could be journal or something for planning also. तो आप ये कह लें कि जनरली में यही होता है कि बस हाँ जी गॉसिप्स हो रही हैं, बैठे हुए हैं, कभी किसी की बात हो रही है, कभी किसी की बात हो रही है। तो व्हेन वी
What?
एंड आल्सो अबाउट द प्लानिंग, तो इसके अंदर प्लान करते हैं व्हाट वी हैव टू प्लान टुमारो, कि व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें क्या करना चाहिए और कैसे करेंगे। तो थ्रू आउट ये प्लानिंग जो भी होती है, व्हेन वी सिट टुगेदर विद द फैमिली वी हैव टू डिसाइड।
Okay. What type of books do you read?
Hmm. Basically, my interest is more in adventurous book, so they can can't you can say वो मुझे कंफ्यूज नहीं करती, ना ही वो मुझे बोर करती हैं। मेरा जो जितना भी इंटरेस्ट होता है मोर दे डेवलप इन एडवेंचरस बुक।
If you play any online games when you were a kid?
Yeah, so many games. When I was a kid, I played the racing cars, I play the ninja games, I play, you can say, a fighting game, and especially the most favorite my game is that is a Metal Slug, or you can say Need for Speed, because it's all about the racing cars. And as I told earlier, I love the race. So racing and adventurous, these games are my favorite when I was a child.
You know, one time you played a shooter game. What was the name again?
Yeah, that was, I guess, a bubble shooter. You have to match out
I
the
think
bubbles and drop it down.
name. What was the name of it?
It's a bubble shooter.
Uh, no, it's not. It's something
Yes,
else,
it's
I think. But let's go on the next question.
okay, fine.
What hobbies or activities you enjoy?
My hobby, my interest is more to read the books. Okay, and as I told, swimming, to go or
You
cycling.
can't swim.
No, no, I can swim. I have.
Right? I never
Uh,
knew that.
no, no, you can see. When I was child, I always go for a swim.
Okay, great.
Hmm.
And next question for you is: do you enjoy reading books? Yeah, you do. What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place. Actually, I'm also a hiker person, so I like to go on a hilly places, just like to climb mountains. You can see nature over there, the birds, the animals, the fresh air. So hiking to climb a mountain is my favorite.
Okay, and my next question for you is, hmm, next question for you is, why do you like mountains?
Hmm. Because mountains gives you a fresh air, a nature over there. आप जब भी जाएंगे हाइक पे, you can see the animals over there, the birds creeping. So basically, the nature is there. You have to go,
Are you
especially. Yes,
are,
please.
are you not scared of animals? What if there's a tiger, lion, or whatever in there?
No, no, yeah, it could be. It could be because the animal, just like you talk about the lion, tigers. Actually, they are very deadly animals. You have to protect yourself. But basically, in Islamabad, there is a Margla Hills, and there is, I guess, no deadly animals who, exist over there. So that's why I used to go to Margla Hills.
Because Islamabad is a mountain itself. So you
Yeah.
okay? Listen, I have a theory for you. I have a theory for you.
Yes. What? Please.
Every day we walk in the park. Isn't
Okay.
that we are hiking on the mountain because we are living on top of a mountain?
Hmm. Yeah, it could be. Basically, Islamabad is a city of hills. Okay, in all the areas that is covered by the mountains, the boundary basically of
Yeah,
Islamabad is mountain.
our area is just cut it and just build a many roads and houses. Just become Margala roads. But
Yes,
isn't Margala a name of a mountain?
yes, it's a Magla hills. You can say in Islamabad that was exists over here.
Mountains. Okay. Have you ever went inside of a forest and saw anything deadly?
Yes, it, एक बड़ा अच्छा एक वो था मेरा. I was there in KPK region. There is a mountain, and we basically camp over there, na. So there I saw a black panda. You can see a black bear. You can say it's a black bear, not the panda. It's a black bear, and it was very deadly when we saw this. बस अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसने हमें नहीं देखा. हमने उसको देख लिया था, तो हम वहाँ से बोया जल्दी से एस्केप होके भाग के आ गए थे वहाँ से. सो समटाइम्स दे स्केर्ड यू.
Okay.
Sorry.
Have you went to a zoo?
Yes, I went to the zoo. There is a
What
zoo
type
in
of
Islamabad.
animals were there?
Oh my God, there are all kind of the animals. You can say the lion, the
Listen,
elephant. Yes,
excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt. Can you explain me three animals there?
three animals. Okay, lion, elephant, and monkeys over there.
Explain
Monkeys are
them.
in the cage. Monkeys are in the cage. They are jumping here and there, and the lion is also in a very big cage, and the rest elephant वो ओपन था. उसको किसी जगह पे नहीं रखा हुआ था, जो उसका एक ओपन केज था जहाँ पे वो था. और पीपल आर देयर आर सीइंग देम कि कौन कौन से एनिमल्स हैं यहाँ पे. बट इन इस्लामाबाद देयर आर आई गेस इन द जू ऑल द एनिमल्स आर देयर. यू कैन गो देयर एंड हैव अ लुक ओवर देयर.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Kamran Ahmed, for your inspiring journey with us. Your experiences, advice, and life lessons will surely motivate so many students and young people to dream big, work hard, and never give up. And thank you for everyone watching. I
Yeah.
hope you have
Yes.
enjoyed this
Yeah, exactly.
session
Thank you so
till
much. Thank you so much for inviting me over there. I guess it was a very special time with you that I have spent with you in the interview. It's my pleasure, and inshallah, see you soon. Very good luck.
Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone and Allah Hafiz Kamran Ahmed.